Most of us hold it every day, yet few realize we are carrying a masterpiece of high-tech engineering and absolute financial security right in our pockets. Welcome to the inner sanctum of a security fortress, where raw materials are transformed into the Singapore dollar, a global symbol of economic strength and trust. This is the birthplace of Asia's most secure currency. Here, every single millimeter is designed to be a formidable barrier against any attempt at illicit forgery. Behind these walls, cutting-edge technology and ancient craftsmanship merge to create a physical asset that is virtually impossible to replicate by even the most skilled. From the very first fiber to the final holographic seal, every step of this meticulous process is guarded by layers of secrecy and incredible technical precision. Let us take you on an exclusive journey inside the fortress, where ordinary cotton is magically transformed into a multi-layered masterpiece of high-value sovereign currency. The journey begins with the finest, most resilient cotton fibers. Unlike ordinary paper, this special cotton substrate is the secret foundation of the currency's legendary durability. These fibers are treated with a proprietary chemical cocktail, making the base material resistant to moisture, dirt, and the heavy wear of daily commercial circulation. This substrate is engineered to be many times stronger than wood pulp paper, ensuring that each bill can survive the harshest conditions without losing its integrity. The unique chemical coating acts as a shield, protecting the delicate printed details from sweat, humidity, and accidental spills that would destroy any lesser type of paper. Once the fibers are bonded, they are pressed into massive rolls. This material is now ready to receive the complex layers of ink that define its value. At every inch of the substrate is scrutinized. Only the most perfect sheets move forward, as even the tiniest flaw would compromise the security of the final product. This is the beginning of a complex transformation, where blank sheets meet the world's most advanced printing technology to become a symbol of national wealth. The first stage of printing uses the offset method. High-speed rollers apply a sophisticated base of colors that form the foundational element of the note's design. A key security feature is the see-through register. Both sides are printed at once, ensuring that patterns align with a precision of less than 0.01 millimeters. The inks used are not available in any store. They are created using secret formulas that produce unique, vibrant hues that are impossible to accurately photograph. This stage creates the subtle color gradients and complex background patterns that act as the first line of defense against even the most high-end digital scanners. Human experts and digital sensors monitor the output constantly. If a single line is out of place by a hair's breadth, the entire sheet is immediately flagged. Speed and precision must work in harmony. Thousands of sheets pass through every hour, each one a perfect copy of the master design, ready for the next layer. The scale of the operation is breathtaking. These machines are the heavy artillery in the fight against counterfeiters, producing art at an industrial and massive scale. The result is a soft, multi-tonal canvas. This background may look simple, but it contains thousands of microscopic details that are essential for the note's authenticity. Now we enter the most critical phase, Intaglio printing. This process uses hand-engraved steel plates to create the soul and the tactile identity of the note. With tens of tons of pressure, yet the ink is forced into the paper. This creates a raised surface that you can actually feel with your fingertips. This tactile feature is a hallmark of genuine currency. It provides a unique physical sensation of security that a flat, laser-printed fake simply cannot ever replicate. The three-dimensional nature of the ink creates shadows and highlights that change as you move the note, adding another layer of visual and physical complexity. Deep within the intricate patterns are hidden messages. Microtext, so small it appears as a solid line, becomes clear only under a powerful magnifying glass. The portrait itself is a masterpiece of engraving. Every line and dot is meticulously placed to create a lifelike image that is incredibly difficult to mimic. As the stacks grow, you can see the physical substance of the money. It has weight, texture, and a presence that reflects its true economic value. This process is the heart of currency production, as it combines the fine touch of an artist with the brute force of heavy industrial engineering and physics. Quality control is relentless. Every detail must be sharp and perfectly defined, ensuring that every citizen can trust the money they hold in their own hands. It is the sound of value being created. The rhythmic thump of the press is the heartbeat of the Singapore economy, echoing through the halls of production. The pinnacle of modern security is the spark orbital. This feature uses magnetic ink to create a shifting, dynamic circle that moves as you tilt the note. Thousands of tiny magnetic particles are oriented by a magnetic field during printing, allowing them to catch and reflect light in a fluid, hypnotic motion. Next is the hologram, a shimmering window into a world of light. It displays various symbols that appear to move and change color in 3 dimensions. Under ultraviolet light, the note reveals a secret world. Hidden fibers and symbols glow brightly. They're providing a quick and easy way for banks to verify authenticity. The security thread is a vital barrier. Woven directly into the cotton fibers, it contains microscopic text and transitions through a rainbow of colors when inspected. Even invisible light is used. Some inks are designed to be invisible to infrared cameras, creating a secret digital signature that only specialized machines can read. These high-tech features turn each bill into a sophisticated piece of optical hardware, making it a nightmare for anyone attempting to create a convincing fake. The color shifting effect is instant and unmistakable. It provides a simple visual cue for the public to know they are holding the real thing, not a copy. Precision is the enemy of the counterfeiter. Every security feature is calibrated to an exact scientific standard that is guarded as a state-level secret. This is the ultimate shield, a combination of physics, chemistry, and light that makes the Singapore dollar one of the most difficult objects in the world to copy. In the final stage, artificial intelligence takes over. High-speed cameras scan every single note, checking for even the most microscopic deviations from the master perfection. Any note that is less than perfect is immediately identified and destroyed. There is no room for error in a process that defines national financial integrity. Diamond blades then slice the sheets into individual notes. The edges are so sharp and clean that they feel like a single block of solid material. The notes are bundled, sealed, and prepared for their journey. Each stack is a concentrated block of economic power, ready to enter the global financial system. Security remains absolute until the very last second. Armored convoys and elite security teams ensure that these masterpieces reach their destination under the highest level of protection. From the secure facility to the hands of the public, the chain of custody is never broken, guaranteeing the value of every dollar in circulation. Every note that leaves this fortress is a promise. It represents the strength of a nation and the fruit of the most advanced manufacturing on earth. When you hold a Singapore dollar, you hold the result of hundreds of hours of engineering and the highest standards of security technology ever developed. It is a true masterpiece of technical excellence, a symbol of trust, and a testament to the pursuit of perfection in the palm of your hand.